Today we're going to take a look at section 14.4, the third day of it, and we're going to start applying what we have learned from the first 2 days of section 14.4. So the first thing we're going to do is kind of go through a little checklist about solving problems with normal distributions. The first thing you want to do is state the problem. What are you trying to answer? Standardize and draw a picture. So with your normal curve, what are you looking at? We'll use our table and then see what we can conclude. So for our 3 problems today, we're going to be using this exact same information here. On a driving range, Tiger Woods practices his swings with a particular club by hitting many balls. When Tiger hits his driver, the distance the ball travels follows a normal distribution with a mean of 304 yards and a standard deviation of 8. So we want to know what percent of Tiger's drives travel at least 290. So the problem, we want at least 290 yards. So the second thing that we were asked to do on this checklist is standardize and draw a picture. Well, we know it's following a normal curve. We know the mean is 209. We want to know at least 290. Wait, what was the mean again? I think I got that wrong. Oh, the mean is 304. Whoops. So the mean is 304. And we want to know at least 290. What percent? Well, 290 is right here. So we want to know this area over here. Well, let's see. First, let's standardize by finding our z-score. So we know 290 minus 304 divided by, I already forgot, our standard deviation is 8. So our z-score from this let's see, you should get negative 1.75 is your z-score. So now we have to go back to our table here. And let's see if we can find that over here. Come on, I thought I brought it up. Maybe not. So negative 1.75. Let's see, negative 1.70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know, remembering the table gives us from here backwards, so we have 0.0401, but we want to find that's greater than that, so we would do 1 minus 0.0401, which gives us 0.9599, or approximately 96% of his drives travel at least 290 yards. So the next one we're going to look at is what percent of the drives travel between here. So here's our question. Let's draw that normal again with the mean of 304. But we want the area between 305 and 325. So we have to find a couple z-scores here. 305 minus 304 divided by 8. So that's our first z-score that we have to find. And our second one would be 325 minus 304 divided by 8. So let's see, 1/8 is a decimal. We have 0.125. And 325, we have 21 divided by 8, 2.625. Now we know on our chart, when we're trying to find these, it only goes out to the hundredth, so we'd have to round up. So we'll round up to 0.13 and 2.63. So alongside of our chart here. So 0.13, let's see, 0.13. So we have 55.17, 0.5517. So if we go back here, draw in our picture, we know this area is 0.5517, a little over half, and then we need our 2.63. So go down our chart, 2.60123, 0.9957. So on our chart from this big one over 0.9957, well, to find that area in between, we would subtract. So 0.9957 minus 0.5517, 0.444. So approximately 44.4%, because we did a little bit of rounding there. And the last one we're going to take a look at. What distance would a ball travel to be at the 80th percentile? Well, here's our mean. So 80 would be up here. But we don't know our z-score here. Alright, so what we're trying to find is on the table, where is 0.8? What would our z-score be? Well, we know it's going to be positive here, so 0.8. Let's see, 0.8159, 0.8053. It looks like this is the closest. Right here. Whoops, the one below. 0.7795. That's 0.8, but that's 200ths, where this is only 5 thousandths away. So 0.801234. So we have 0.84. So our z-score is 0.84. Well, what does this mean? It's 0.84 away from our mean, which we know is 304, 0.84 standard deviations. What do we know a standard deviation is? Let's see. It was 8 yards. So it's not a full standard deviation away, because that would be 3/12. It's 0.84. So 8 is our standard deviation times 0.84. Let's see, 8 times 0.84, 6.72 away. So if we add 6.72, 304 plus 6.72, we get 310.72 yards. We'd probably round up and say 311 yards.